This is Governor Westmore. I know what you did last summer. I know what you're going to do in 2023. Exoneration of the Supreme Court. Art and activism, the art of protest. If you wear the mask, you got to put in the work. You wear the mask, you got to put in the work. Governor Westmore wrote about the police. All right? This is Governor Westmore. This is my second letter to you, Governor Westmore in Maryland, seeking justice for being kidnapped by Scott Shellenberger in 2011. All right? You're talking about Operation Greylord. Operation Greylord is a case against the courts, the corruption in the courts. We're going to take the court to court in 2023 because y'all been protecting this white supremacy. That's a writ of certiorari. That's a writ of certiorari. And you got my writ of certiorari. You got my paperwork. Governor Hogan got my paperwork. Adrian Jones got my paperwork. Bill Ferguson got my paperwork. Delegate Smith got my paperwork. Attorney General Anthony Brown. Department of Justice Eric Barron. Mayor Brandon Scott. Chief Mary Barbera. Judge Carrion. Judge Cox. Conway, the clerk of the court, and Judge Bell. I filed that paperwork. It's the Constitution. And I took a test, and I passed with flying colors. We're talking about the money you make off the prison industry, an interstate compact. All right? That's me in 2007. You feel me? That's my FBI file number. Made for travel, train. You feel me? That's my FBI file number. So we're going to talk about that. I own shorties. I own all parts of me. I own everything about me. So Dr. K, do blacks have rights in white America? Dr. K, do black men have any respect? Because all I've been hearing is black girl magic. That black girl magic caused a lot of black men pain. Silence is consent. That black girl magic, that's a whistleblower's application on Maryland courts. All right, that's Natasha. You see that? That's Natasha. That black girl magic. That's my mother, Corrine Davis. She died February the 2nd, 2011. Never messed with a black man's mother. You feel me? So we got all this on the wall, and we want to make sure that this is told. That's 1402 Lochner, public hearing, 2009. I never got a trial. I never got a hearing. That's the Baltimore Sun. That's all right. The Baltimore Sun, NBC, ABC, because the media plays a role in this with misinformation. That's Charles Gibson, World News Tonight. A documentary about Jill P. Carter. All right? Jill P. Carter. That's a legal notice, and Jill P. Carter got this. This was in 2008. I never got a trial. That's a legal notice. I never got a trial. I'm not Emmett Till. I'm not George Floyd. I'm still alive and breathing, and I want a trial. I was charged with a bomb threat, a terrorist activity, 13107 and 122407. Y'all charged me with terrorism twice in one state, and I want a trial. I want to clear my name. So I need exoneration of the Supreme Court. Art and activism, the art of protest. We got it on the walls of City Hall. Right here at the walls of City Hall. I applied for Martin Luther King's job and y'all got mad. That's what y'all got mad about. A call to commitment. A documentary about Baltimore. A documentary about Baltimore. That's Jill P. Carter, and that's my whistleblower's application. Jill P. Carter got this in 2014. That's Judge Badar and Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. I gave this paperwork to Councilman Zeke Cone last night in front of everybody. Whoever having knowledge of an actual commission of a felony cognizable by a court of the United States conceals and does not as soon as possible make known for the same or some judge or person of civil or liberty authority, all right, you can be fined and sent to jail. All right? That's the law. Mayor Brandon Scott been knowing about this since he was Councilman Scott. I own shorties. I own all parts of me. You feel me? I own me. Since 1998, I own me. Shorty's Underground Ribs, Shorty's Underground Railroad, like Harriet Tubman and Frederick Douglass. I'm doing it in your face. Social media for social change. Y'all promote him and deny me. Social media for social change. All right? Black lives don't matter. Black money do. Justice for Darnell Rochester. Justice for Darnell Rochester. All right? Justice for Darnell Rochester. You wear the mask, you got to put in the work. You wear the mask, you got to put in the work. I'm the founding member of the Baltimore block. I've been policing the police since 2006. Made a documentary about it, and it's all on the walls at City Hall. You got any problem with me? Come see the truth speaking of power. That's the Baltimore Sun, and that's me, 2006. That's Pam Woods. That's Governor Westmore, and that's Governor Westmore. Governor Westmore and Shorty. We got a hell of a story.